Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an HP 962 cartridge in your HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 printer. A brand new HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 includes the HP 962 black, cyan, magenta, and yellow setup cartridges. Cartridges are sold in a standard yield and a high yield or XL size, which offers more prints per cartridge. And before we go any further, let's grab our new OEM cartridge and we'll take it out of the packaging and show you what that process looks like. Okay, I've got a brand new HP 962 cyan cartridge here. Let's take it out of the box. And it's ready to go. So let's move forward and continue with the installation process. Okay, we've got our brand new cyan cartridge ready to go. Let's take out the old cyan cartridge first. So we'll pull down the front cover here. Wait for the cartridges to center. And to take out an old cartridge, all you need to do is just lightly press on it. Oops. And it'll pop right out. And then we've got the brand new cartridge we just opened up. We'll put it back in that same slot. And just slide it in, and you should hear a click. Close up the front cover. And we'll give it a few moments to initialize. We got the confirmation message there. Wait for another moment for it to initialize again. And then we should be all set and we can continue printing. And we'll press OK for the final confirmation. And now you can start printing. That's it. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.